Exercise 1, Dumbbell High Curl. This variation emphasizes the biceps peak by curling the dumbbells high toward your shoulders. Keep your elbows elevated to increase upper biceps tension. Avoid momentum by maintaining a slow, controlled motion. Pause at the top and squeeze the peak hard. Control the eccentric phase to extend time under tension for maximal growth and definition in the biceps. Exercise 2, Barbell Reverse Grip Curl. This move targets the brachialis and forearms, adding thickness to the arms. Use a shoulder-width reverse grip and keep your elbows close to your torso. Lift the bar slowly without swinging. Keep wrists locked to avoid losing tension. Squeeze at the top, then lower slowly. Avoid heavy loads that compromise form and reduce isolation of the targeted muscles. Exercise 3, EZ-Barbell Close Grip Preacher Curl. Performing this on a preacher bench isolates the lower portion of the biceps and reduces momentum. The close, easy grip emphasizes inner biceps activation. Lower the bar fully to stretch the muscle, then curl with control. Pause just before locking out. Maintain tension and avoid relaxing at the bottom. This setup helps shape and round out the biceps. Exercise 4, Cable Standing Reverse Curl, EZ-Bar. Constant cable resistance works the brachialis and forearms effectively. Use an EZ-Bar with an overhand grip. Keep your torso upright and elbows pinned. Curl without using shoulders or wrists. The top contraction activates the brachialis intensely. Slow the negative for better growth. Avoid jerking the weight to preserve tension in the muscle throughout. Exercise 5, Dumbbell Alternate Hammer Curl. This variation isolates each arm to emphasize the brachialis and brachioradialis. Keep palms facing in and elbows still. Curl one arm at a time, squeezing at the top. Use a controlled descent to build time under tension. Alternate slowly to stay focused. Maintain a neutral wrist to avoid shifting tension away from the arms. Use moderate weight with strict form. Exercise 6, Dumbbell Incline Biceps Curl. Lying on an incline bench fully stretches the biceps, especially the long head. Keep your upper arm still and elbows down. Curl the dumbbells slowly and pause at the peak to contract hard. Don't swing or lift your shoulders. Lower the weight with control. This position isolates the biceps like few others, maximizing stretch and contraction for peak shape.